Hello, I'm back. Know what I'm doing? I have colors in my hair again. Wicked fancy choker. I'm gonna be doing a mermaid look. I have nothing planned. I think I saw like one person do one, so I have a general idea of maybe what people are looking for. But I'm just gonna do what's in my head. She's gonna be a fancy mermaid. She's gonna be sparkly. That's just what I think. So I've learned that to make my videos a lot shorter, I'm going to be speeding things up. I hope the lighting is okay in here. I hope you can hear me. I have my super ultra fun voice thing. So if you want to see how I do a really cool mermaid, she's glittery. And stay watching. I'm going to fast forward a lot of this stuff. I'm going to stop to show you like what products I'll be using in one of them, so hopefully I have nothing planned. I haven't even tried this before. I have ideas though, you know. I'm gonna be using this, the Cover FX glitter drops. I'm gonna put it like all over my face, because mermaids, I think they're shiny, right? And she's fancy. I'm gonna be a fancy mermaid, so don't mind. So I'll stop once in a while, say what I'm doing. If not, just enjoy. The glitter sneeze. I sneezed all over. Okay. So I put the shiny stuff all over me, so if you're actually doing this, obviously, you know, have fun. If you're wearing, oh, I'm texting. I have so much going on. Hold on. So I did here. It started to separate. I actually didn't like meld into my skin as much as what I wanted, but it made me sneeze. What is that? What's in here? Okay. So now, what I would like to do is I'm going to kind of contour with like a teal or a purple. In my head, that's what I'm going to be doing. I seriously have no idea what I'm doing. I just have ideas. So I'm gonna take a little unicorn brush, and I'm just gonna kind of be like putting in where colors I want there to be. Do you know what I mean? So I'll be right back. And for this, I'm gonna be mainly using the Morphe palette. It's got all the colors. I don't know which Morphe Hello. Something just 35B is what this is. I'm just gonna be dabbing into like some purples, maybe some teals, and I'm just gonna be putting them in random places because now I already got my base. This is how I would do my cakes. Like, do your base first, and then start decorating little bits. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna start off with like a light purple first. Kind of kind of like doing where I would put my contour. Shout out to Jade. She texted me. Hey Jade. Thanks for watching. She's aces. Alright, so I'm just kind of doing random. I'm gonna do this. I'll be right back. Got like kind of a base, you know, so there's like a sheen of color, you know. I'm gonna do my eyes first and probably my brows, and then I'm gonna get to the actual mermaidy stuff. Don't go out like this. Awesome part. I'm just gonna wing this. I think it's gonna work. This is very exciting. I have a Eco Tools brush that I've always had. I always use this one to do the inner corner highlight, and I always use this one to do this. But it came with this brush, and I never knew, like, what is that for? I mean, I can see maybe do that, but you know, I just noticed my eyebrows actually look amazing. And like I just covered them in glitter. Well, maybe that's what I need. Alright, so I'm just going to be going in between teal, purple, pink, green, just whatever, and I think I'm just going to create the little random scales with that. So we're going to see how, I haven't done this before, so I have a feeling it'll be kind of cool. And there's just glitter everywhere. Majority of those are on. I'm just gonna take a soft, like any kind of big brush like that, just kind of tap it to kind of soften it. Maybe I have a softer brush. You know what? Maybe I'll use my unicorn brush. I'm packing it on my face.